I'm Brian Smith. I'm the president and owner of Albina Co, located in Tualatin, Oregon. I'm the third generation Smith owner, and most recently we have the fourth generation who just joined the Albina team. Albina is an all-encompassing rolling facility. We roll plate, we roll structural members, including HSS, square and rectangular, and all rounds. We specialize in stainless, carbon, aluminum, and all specialty metals. So our customers are a wide range of customers. Primarily we deal with structural steel fabricators. We also deal with OEMs and industrial companies, manufacturing companies. We do small runs, we do large runs. Really, we're a job shop. So we can make what the customer needs, whatever quantity. What makes Albina an expert is we've been doing it since 1939. We started as a pipe rolling company, and we slowly evolved into bending all forms of structural steel. We can bend with various processes. So really there isn't a shape or size that limits our ability to bend it. We have an extensive training program where we document how we do things on all the equipment, what we've learned, what's worked, what hasn't worked, and we then apply that to new projects that we process in the shop.
I'm Casey Lesh with Albina Co. I'm the quality control manager and part of the estimating team. I've worked for Albina Co. since 1999. A lot of our jobs require different types of bends. We bend cylinders or cans, helixes, single plane rolling, elliptical bending, and DAVI's been a great partner on developing a lot of that and improving our processes. The helixes and ellipses are most challenging because of the technical requirement that the operator has to understand and the accuracy of the machine required to do them consistently. One of the features we liked about DAVI was the S travel feature, helped us with our content bends and our helixes. Helixes are used for many different applications, anywhere from heat exchangers, hand railings for spiral staircases, to art projects. Tolerances, depending on the material we're using, the process we're working with, and the machines we're on, we're either dictated by a specific code, either AISC or ASME, and we take that as a project management team and relay that through our traveler to our operator, and then they follow those codes and restrictions. We can work to tighter tolerances, and as given, we can work to looser tolerances depending on the need. We use a lot of templates and chords and rises to check our parts. The best feature on the DAVI that we have is the S travel feature to help us with content bends. So holding angles or degrees of bend is very good. And then the digital readouts have been a great asset to us because it gives us the ability to repeat a part over and over and over again with actual digital numbers that we can go to rather than using a tape measure to determine the location of our dies. The biggest cylinder we can make as a full cylinder is approximately 15 foot in diameter by 10 foot long. We do a lot of larger diameter cylinders, but they're just made in sections.
When Albina got into the plate market, we wanted to fully commit to servicing everyone's plate needs. So we started with the largest machine, which is a 4-inch thick capacity. And from there, we ratcheted down to make sure that every thickness and size range could be covered by plate rolls at Albina's facility. In our experience working with DAVI, we've found that their equipment is very reliable. We've had very few issues with their equipment, and that's a big deal. When the equipment isn't running, we can't service our customers. We're typically in a situation where lead times are critical. We need to get the material bent and to the fabricator so they can proceed with their portion of the project. We found DAVI having a local support group out of Texas is a tremendous advantage.